initiating docking sequence. Extend docking arm. Connection complete. Docking Bay 2, are you open? Over and out, Docking Bay is clear for connect. Repeat, Docking Bay 2 is clear for connect. Requesting clearance for Docking Bay 3, Docking Bay 3. Request denied at this time. I have 3 other Cloudcraft docking right now. Unable to connect on dock 2. Unable to connect on dock 2. Go ahead and bring him in with the tractor beam. Dock 3, you're clear for connect. Hurry up, we got a whole line backing up. We're going to need another docking station. Repeat, heavy incoming transport units, heavy incoming transport units. We're going to need another docking station in Houston, Texas. Good work, boys. Over and out.